Traders Anthony here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take partial profits in MT4. So I've got the Aussie dollar open here. You can see we're trading in the money. Entry is here. Stop loss is above this previous high. And I'm looking to take 2/3 of my position off. So we can click on the entry line here, double click to open up this panel, or come down to Aussie dollar and double click that, and that'll open the same thing. We're going to go for a market execution, and we're going to select or type in 0.065 would be 2/3, 0.06. I'll round it off at 0.06. So what we do is we close, and that's going to take 2/3 of my position off. So account history, we can see here we've banked $21.24. So that's how you take partial profits. Guys, I'd like to invite you to join our free Telegram group. The link is below. Love to see you in there. So with that, make sure you comment if you've gained anything from the video. A thumbs up would be fantastic. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.